My dear students, Vetri welcomes you all. Today, I am going to discuss the Unit 17. I am naming it as A because I am dividing the unit into two parts, A and B. So, organic compound containing oxygen, alcohol, ether, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So the group is very bigger. So I am bringing like this: alcohol, ether, I bring one category. Aldehyde, ketone, acid, carboxylic acid, I will bring another category. So I am going to discuss NEET original question paper between the year that is 2016 to 2022 to 2025. I have already discussed up to 2016 to 22. Kindly verify my previous video. Okay. In order to answer for all the questions under this topic, so what you have to study subtopic. Test for functional group. Test for functional group means alcohol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, acid. All these functional group tests. Classification we have to study. IUPAC we have to study. Isomerism we have to study. Preparation we have to study. Properties and uses we have to study. So let me go directly the questions. Under this, only alcohol and ether I am going to discuss, that is called A. This is the question asked NEET 22. The question number 1, given below are two statements. Statement 1, the acidic strength of monosubstituted nitrophenol is higher than phenol. Acidic strength because of electron withdrawing nitro group. Statement 2. Orthonitrophenol metanitrophenol and paranitrophenol will have the same acidic strength as they have one nitro group attached to phenolic ring. This is statement 2. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. 1. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 2, that is option 2, statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. 3. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 4. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. So, for this, let me take now statement 1. What is the statement 1? Kindly follow. The acidic strength of monosubstituted nitrophenol is higher than phenol. Let me explain this. Kindly follow me. So, here is the worksheet. This is the phenol. And another is the monosubstituted nitrophenol. Monosubstituted, say let us take paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol, just for comparison. So, what is the most important here it is, generally what is acid, we must know. Because it is given in the statement 1, the acidic strength of monosubstituted nitrophenol is higher than phenol. What is an acid? Acid is a substance that hydrogen will be replaced. In organic chemistry, carboxylic acid H will be acid, and in the phenol, aromatic ring attached to H will be acidic. So only these two in the organic compound. So when we are comparing the phenol and the orthonitrophenol or the paranitrophenol or metanitrophenol, how it will affect this one? Generally, this is NO2 group is meta-orienting group, that is the attracting group. It is attracting group. So here one important statement is generally attracting group will increase the acidity and releasing group will decrease the acidity. This is the concept we must know. So in this case NO2 attracting group, so acidity increases. So statement 1 is correct. Okay. Statement 1 is correct. Now, we will go for statement 2 now. Orthonitrophenol, that is orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol and paranitrophenol will have the same acidic strength as they have one nitro group attached to the phenolic ring. No, this statement is wrong. Let me explain how. Kindly follow. What is the strength of that? I will explain all this. Kindly follow. One is, this is phenol. This is orthonitrophenol. This is metanitrophenol. And finally, paranitrophenol. So if you go for the reaction mechanism, all the three, orthonitro, metanitro and paranitrophenol is more acidic than phenol, but the acidity in the case of orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol and paranitrophenol will not be same acidic in strength, because paranitrophenol will have conjugation with OH, so the H can be easily replaceable because of the para positions. So this is more acidic. Paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol and metanitrophenol. So therefore, statement 2 is wrong. Now we'll go for the correct statement now. Kindly follow now. The correct statement is probably first one is right, second one is wrong. Just see here. Here, option answer is, that is, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. So, easily we can understand this. Question number 2. Kindly follow. Question number 2. That is, this question is asked in NEET 22. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In Lucas test, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are distinguished on the basis of their reactivity with ConHCl and zinc to the corresponding anhydrous zinc chloride and known as Lucas reagent. Statement 2, kindly follow. In Lucas reagent, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are distinguished on the basis of the reactivity ConHCl plus zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride, known as Lucas reagent. Okay. This statement correct. Because if you go for the property of the alcohols, the tertiary alcohols will form normally, immediately will be give turbidity when you heat that. So this is the test to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. When you treat with carnitine and anhydrous the zinc chloride, tertiary will give immediately the turbidity immediately, secondary after 5 minutes, primary after a long time. So it can be easily we can use this. So first one is correct. The statement 2, primary alcohol are most reactive and immediately produce turbidity at room temperature and react with Lucas reagent. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer. Kindly follow. That is statement 2. Primary alcohols is most or most reactive. No, it is wrong. Just now I informed you. It is wrong. That means statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is wrong. Where it is, statement 1 is correct, but 2 is correct. 1 is correct, but statement is correct. Both statement. So 1 is correct. Kindly follow. The statement number 1 is the correct answer. Probably. Let us verify. Yes. Answer is this is. I have already informed you. Tertiary alcohol on treatment with the Lucas reagent gives turbidity immediately. Tertiary alcohol. Secondary alcohol gives turbidity after 5 minutes. Primary alcohol will give turbidity only after a long time. Based on that, we can able to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary. The next one. Third question. This is asked in the NEET 23. NEET 23. Kindly follow. Consider the following reaction and identify the product. The starting material given is 3-methyl butane to all. This is the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. When you treat with HBr, what will happen normally? It will substituted by Br, so water will be eliminated. So what is the product form? There are 4 options. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. So according to mechanism, answer 1 is correct. How 1 is correct? So let me explain this. Kindly follow. CH3, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. So what will happen now? When we are treated with HBr, this OH will be going out in the form of with HBr. So it forms water and Br will be substituted here. Br will be substituted here. But before that it is forming a carbonium ion. It is a secondary carbonium ion. And because of the secondary carbonium ion, what will happen now? Instead of it is not stable, so it is highly reactive. So automatically one of the methyl group migrate here. So Br is moving towards this carbon. So answer 1 is the correct. So this is actually is the reaction, the substitution followed by rearrangement. So answer is 1 is the correct answer. Let us see now. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Now, This is asked to the NEET 2023. Consider the following reaction. This is actually two phenyl group between a CH2O, the benzene ring. Actually, so when we are treated with HI and followed by heat, there are two products that form. Identify the products A and B. This is the question asked. There are two probability. One is if you treated with HI here, cleave, you will get phenol and benzyl iodide. You will get this is one probability. Suppose if it is cleaved here, you will get the correspondingly benzyl alcohol and iodobenzene. There are two possibilities. Among the two possibilities, which is the correct one? The correct is aliphatic is more reactive, so it will be automatically will undergo the correspondingly I and H. So this is the probable A. One is A is the benzyl iodide, B will be phenol. So just see where it is. Option 3 is the correct answer. So let us see now. So 3, yes, 3. Since it is slide, you cannot show. So I am showing here. So 3 is the correct answer. Kindly follow. This is the 3. Next question. Which of the following alcohols react instantaneously with the Lucas reagent? Which one of the following alcohols reacts instantaneously with Lucas reagent? Please follow. This question is asked in NEET 2024. NEET 2024. Again, this is again related with this we have seen already Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? Concentrated sulfuric acid plus anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride. This is actually used to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. The question is, which one of the following alcohol reacts immediately, instantaneously, immediately? That is generally tertiary will react immediately. Among the 4 options, find out which is tertiary. Here option 2 is tertiary. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is primary. This is actually secondary. So answer should be number 2. So that means, so this tertiary butyl alcohol reacts instantaneously with the Lucas reagent. So this is the correct answer. Next question. NEET 24. Again, kindly follow. The products A and B obtained in the following reactions respectively are. The first reaction, kindly follow, P, Cl3, Cl, C. So 3. So when it is reacting with alcohol, I can write now alcohol, what way it will react. So R, OH, R, OH. That means the product will be H3PO3 product plus 3RCl. So this is A will be boric acid, the porous acid, that is H3PO3. Out of this, H3PO3 here is not there. Here it is 2 maybe, and 3 also it is, no, 3 is not. So probably 2 may be the correct answer. Let us verify the second one. So from the first one, we are getting H3PO3. Then let us see the second one, POCl3. So PCl5, so it will form 5 valency because of S2P3. So what will happen now in this case, when you are treating with alcohol, so OH it is producing. So what will happen now? P. So in this case, automatically the H will be there, that is RCl will come out, then OHCl, HCl will come out. So the remaining will be POCl3, it will form. So this is the correct answer. H3, PO3, POCl3 is the correct answer. Please follow. The next question, that is answer is 2. This is the correct answer. Next question. NEET, this is asked in NEET 24. Major products A and B formed in the following sequence are, this is the corresponding orthomethylphenol, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 2-methyl cyclohexanol. When treated with BBR3, major is A. Then when treated with alcoholic OH, B. So this is the question. Kindly follow. So in this case, the 4 options are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is actually, normally, what will happen in the following reactions, you must understand. So when you treat with BBR3, it is normally substituting the OH group. Okay? That is BBR3, it is substituting the, so OH will be substituted by BBR3, that is A. So I can now write the intermediate OH and Br first, that is A. Then second one, alcoholic OH, it is a dehydrating agent, it will eliminate OH. It will eliminate OH. So what will happen? It will eliminate, when it is eliminating OH. So here there is hydrogen, here there is Br. So Br is getting eliminated, H is getting eliminated. The product will be double bond. This is the corresponding CH3. So, methyl cyclohexane, 1-methyl cyclohexane, correspondingly the product. Now just see among the 4 where it is. See, 3 is the correct answer. So, 3 is the correct answer. My dear students, so you have enjoyed the class. I will take the second part in my next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.